Hey, and welcome back to another episode of
What to Do!
Today, we're going to be going to a beach, and growing up, I enjoyed beaches, but they weren't my favorite thing to do.
He told me he thought they were boring.
Well, Kelly opened my eyes to a whole new world of possibilities.
So in this video, we're going to talk about 9 things that you may not have thought of that you can do at the beach. Whether you're slow and lethargic and you just like to relax, or if you're fast and furious and you like to have fun, there's something in this video for you.
And don't forget, if you like this video, hit the likes. If you want to see some of our other videos, scroll through there and hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you're notified of our next video. And
tell people about us.
Yeah, because we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so there.
Yeah, that's our goal.
Hi, and welcome back to another episode of What to Do.
Spikeball is one of my favorite games. If you don't know how to play it, I put a link in the description, and if you would like to buy it, you can get one of the off-brands. They're not quite as good, but they're half the price, and we have the off-brand and really like it. So I realize waking up early is not ideal for people, especially on their vacation, but just once I would suggest that you do. We are not pros at all, but we do like to play around with our photography, and we were so surprised with how beautiful these pictures turned out. Okay, bird watching. If you like people watching, you'll like bird watching and identification. If you do this, I strongly suggest you buy a simple bird identification guide at a local gift shop. We got one, and it was a lot of fun to try to figure out which bird was which. Before I go on with this, check out the membrane around the shell. It's called the foot, and it's using it to dig into the sand. I later found out that these are called coquina shells, and just by observing them, we found some pretty cool things. These guys are filter feeders, so they keep our ocean shores clean. They come in a variety of colors, and their age is determined by the dark lines on their shells. However many dark lines there are, that's how many years old it is.
Come on, go, 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 go!
3, 2, 1.
What are we doing here? Don't settle for just the oh-so-boring sand castles. Oh, why thank you. I have been working on these for quite a while here. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you really enjoyed it. It was a ton of fun. But one of our takeaways was that when we think of a beach, we don't think of wintertime. And that's when we were there. We were there during the winter, and there weren't hardly any crowds. The temperature was a good temperature. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. And the water was a good temperature too. So we highly recommend it.
Also, for our next video, we bought something really cool, and I can't wait to show you what that is. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can know when that video comes up.
Yeah, definitely. And also, we're always looking for new cool places to check out and share with the world. So if you have any cool places that you think we should share, or you think other people would be interested in, go ahead and comment in the comment section below, and we'll try and get there and make a video.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. God bless, and we'll see you next time.